See that bird, honey?
Yeah, I wonder what it is. I've never heard that before.
Look. It's a big bird up there.
Oh, it's that big bird?
Look at it.
Maybe it's an owl?
No, look over here. Stand up and look. Honey. Look, it's babies in it. Yeah?
Where? Point.
Right there, look. See? Here, there's one and there's another one. I think they're eagles or something.
Oh, that would be cool.
There's a bunch. There's like 2 or 3 of them. See them? See them moving around? Now you see them?
I don't know. It looks like on the very edge. Like
Yeah,
something.
see them moving?
Isn't there like a big thing right on the edge?
Yeah, see them moving back and forth? Right there, look. See the wings? Right there. Right in the sunlight, see it? See the wings? Right there, see them move? It's moving back and forth.
Oh, if I had my glasses on.
It's a big eagle, I think. See how big he is?
Where?
Right there, look. Right there, look, right there. See him moving? He's in the sunlight.
Oh.
Now you see him? He's huge.
I think so.
He's moving back and forth. I get it. I can't see it from here.
Is it right underneath the peak?
No, it's on the top of the peak. See him moving? You could totally see him right there, look. Am I finished pointing? Right there, he's moving back and forth. He might fly away, I think. Now you see him?
No, I don't know.
Look, he's moving. He's really moving a lot. Look. See him right there? He's a big, huge bird. Look. See the wings? Right there, honey. He's right in the sunlight. He's moving back and forth. I think he's gonna take off. I think there might be babies up there, I think.
That would be what makes sense. That kind of sounded like. I was gonna bring my glasses. I'll see him when he moves.
It's an eagle, I think, or it's a hawk. It's a big, huge bird. It's too dark, honey. It's too dark. Oh, there, it's lighter now.
Well, that sound's coming from over there.
No, it's coming from right up there, honey. It's
over there now, the sound.
It echoes is all. It's right up.
No, it moved.
No, it didn't. You didn't see him fly away, did you?
The one that's making the sound is over there.
No, it's right there. Look, there he's moving again. He's moving back and forth. Right there. You see him right there. That's where the sound's coming from, right there. And I think there's...
Is it in the sun or in the shade?
In the sun. Here, hold it.